Hi guys, hope you're well. Hi YouTubers, hi Facebookers. Guys, I'm having a very good time in building a great online business I found in the last, it must have been 2 weeks now. I do a lot of businesses, but obviously the industry is, you get a lot of scammers and it's just a nightmare, man. So I found a really good business. I'm very happy, And the beauty about this, guys, is that it's asset protected. I have double checked it. In fact, I quadruple checked it. Like you do, I did a lot of research, found out that's real. And it's the company's regulated, so that's a big bonus, especially these days with the online industries, enticing people to come in and, they build their businesses. And then they get loads of people coming in, they've got big teams, and before you know it, within a month or 2 months, the company just comes up with so many excuses not to pay, and the CEO does a disappearing act, or they have problems with their payment gateway. Guys, I've been there, done that, bought a t-shirt, I have been in the industry for over 12 years now, and I've seen so many businesses come and go. But now, obviously, technology has really kind of, gone crazy. So as the scammers. But guys, I've got a great little business. It's building slowly. People are starting to wake up and smell the roses. You get a lot of companies out there, they're not asset protected. They say they are, but they're not. When you actually digger, into the project, they're not. I've actually got proof, and you can build a team, great, or you can be a passive income earner. It's entirely up to you. The project's there, you can make it mold your situation. Okay, I do this full time, okay, but what I see with this business, it's got a lot of potential, and I can actually sleep at night without even worrying about being scammed. I've built teams over the years and made six figures online, in the last 12 years, and I've been scammed thousands, and I made thousands. But guys, sometimes it's a bit, it's a bit wearing. I want something to last long, long term, and I do believe this is the project for me and many others. People are getting so, excuse my French, pissed off about, getting into a company, going full blown into it, building a team and getting scammed, even if you don't promote the business and just be a passive income earner. People are just so annoyed at what's going on, with the industry. But, guys, if you're interested, PM me, I'll send you some information. You can actually research yourself, okay? And there's a great bonus going on. If you're a new person or a new prospect, it's an amazing bonus, actually. It's great to kind of build something first and have a nice big nest egg in there, and then it just gives you confidence of the business as well. But guys, send me an information if you want. If you want me to send you information, I'll send you PM you, or you can contact me on Facebook or YouTube. I'm here to help you grow your income. And if you do struggle and you want to work with me, we can do a one-to-one Zoom. That's not a problem. I'm always here to help. I do this full time. I live in Thailand, and I might be a few hours or in front of you or behind you. Doesn't matter, just leave me a message and I can arrange a Zoom call with you. If not, just look at my links or send me some PM me and say, look, you want some info, and I will send you some info. And please watch my videos, guys. But this is a good one, and I do believe this is, the golden goose, so to speak. I've done so much research on this business, and everything all kind of ticks the boxes, guys. Very happy. Okay. Anyway, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up on YouTube, or a thumbs up on Facebook, or a like, or a comment. That would be nice, and we can connect with each other. Meanwhile, guys, have a great day. Thank you.